Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.
Hello guys and welcome back after a long time. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to play Jigsaw game in VLC media player. Many of you might be thinking that, oh, game in VLC media player? Yeah, you can play game in VLC media player. Just see how to follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my other videos also. View my other videos also. So you have to go to start, then open VLC. Don't bother if you are playing any video or not, just open it. Go to extended settings here, then go to video effects tab, then go to geometry, and here it is puzzle game. Just click this option and see the number of rows and columns. I'm selecting 3 close this and also close VLC media player. Let it the changes. Now go to play any video which you want. For example, I'm playing this video. Now it is arranged in 3x3 grid and you can select this grids and remove this grid. Wherever you want to play this game, pause at that moment. For example, I pause it at this moment. Just now you can see I can move these blocks. Wait a minute. I can do this. Yeah, I can do these blocks. Here it is. Select the block and move this one. So yeah, this part is not. There it is. Okay, so thanks for watching my video guys, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also watch my other videos. I will be uploading another video soon, and you can also suggest me for videos in the comment box below. Thanks a lot for watching.